Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you what's inside my urban tracking kit. Considering the fact that I'm currently using this backpack, which is 5'11", cover 18. So let's discover what's inside. So starting from the main pouch, obviously I'm showing you only the items related to my tracking kit. We got a good roomy notebook, some track cards with some good advices, we got a narcotics identification system, a bigger measuring devices in inches, which is good for vehicle tracking, as well as aluminum foil to keep record on such trucks in the fair occasion I run into a truck trap in a urban environment, of course. In one of the three internal pouches, I got a flashlight with 4 different colors. In the interstitial space over there, I just keep my shaking cast, again in the fair and very lucky possibility of finding a good track trap, as well as a spatula. In the most external pouch, which is clustered into main different pouches in the inside, I got my agenda as well as another notebook. I'm very fond of notebooks, so don't surprise of that. My GPS system and another pouch from 5'11", which contains some small items, for example, tactical pen, a particular pen which is also a measuring device, another small torch, as well as my sebenza from cruise ship. And last but not least, I got obviously this very nice souvenir I took from past SHOT Show, which is good to have a measuring device extremely light at your neck. Obviously, and there's a very small pouch which is supposed to host eyewear. I also prefer to keep my gloves because obviously don't touch anything with bare hands, especially in a urban environment. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this very short video. It was just meant to be sort of a sharing knowledge about what's inside my personal urban backpack and obviously urban tracking kit. So drop a comment in the section below. See you next time.